Did you ever feel stuck in repetitive patterns around relationships, money, work, or just plain relating and being in the world? My name is Michael Stone, and I'm a spiritual mentor, author of Traumatized, a love story, healing the wounds that separate, alienate, and marginalize us. We have a new 7-week course coming up that I'd like to invite you to. It's about looking at intergenerational trauma, legacy burdens that are handed down, that are in our body. Everything that's ever happened in our ancestral lineage lives in our body. And many of the things that we think are about us actually may go back to many, many generations and being passed down. So we're going to take a look at that in this course and really get an opportunity to not only heal our wounding, but healing the wounding of our ancestors, which also, interestingly enough, heals the future generations from having the same problems. So over the 7 weeks, we'll be diving deeply into embodied presence, somatic wisdom, and the opportunity to grow our soul by really connecting with others, because we were wounded in relationships. So it makes a lot of sense to heal in relationship. I hope you'll join our Sangha and our 7-week course coming up soon.